Government has taken note of growing concerns among migrant communities regarding their safety in the context of planned protest actions ahead of 30 June 2026. Government acknowledges the anxiety experienced by some foreign nationals following reports of harassment and calls for them to vacate the country. Government unequivocally condemns all forms of intimidation, harassment, or violence directed at any individual within the Republic, irrespective of their nationality or immigration status. South Africa remains a constitutional democracy founded on the rule of law, human dignity, and the protection of all persons within its borders. Government departments, led by the Department of International Relations and Cooperation, DERCO, the Department of Home Affairs, and law enforcement authorities, are actively engaging with foreign embassies to coordinate appropriate responses. This includes facilitating voluntary returns, consular support, and lawful deportation processes where required, in line with South Africa's legislation and international obligations. As of 27th June 2026, a total of 18,189 foreign nationals have been processed for repatriation and deportation. Law enforcement agencies, including the South African Police Service, have been placed on high alert to prevent any unlawful activities and to ensure that the public order is maintained. Individuals or groups found engaging in acts of violence, intimidation, or incitement will be dealt with decisively